Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can save web page as PDF. So this is my channel page that I want to save. You simply need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on print. And here you can see save as PDF. Click on that. So I want all pages, and so layout, it's portrait and landscape. So it is up to you. So I want portrait, for example. Okay. Then you simply need to click on save and choose the destination. So I'm going to choose in videos. Okay, click on save, and now let me show you. Here you can see that. So here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.